Are you tired of Ubuntu's default look and craving that sleek, minimalist macOS aesthetic without ditching Linux? Let's dive into transforming your Ubuntu into something that strongly resembles macOS. First, we'll need a tool called Gnome Tweaks. This is what will allow us to change the way things look, so go ahead and install that from your software center. Once installed, move on to opening it. You can find this easily by just searching for it in your applications. Inside Gnome Tweaks, you'll find a section for appearance. Clicking into that will allow you to completely change the way your computer looks. This is where the magic happens. Now, the fun part, you'll need to download some themes. Search online for macOS themes for Ubuntu. This will lead you tons of links. Once you've found a theme you like, download those files and put them in your themes folder. Now you can find the theme in your Gnome Tweaks app. Once you've selected a new theme in your Gnome Tweaks app, you can then customize the icons. Download an icon pack that matches the macOS aesthetic. Also, make sure it supports Ubuntu's current version, then install it and set the icon theme from Gnome Tweaks as well. Lastly, let's add the perfect finishing touch, the wallpaper. Search the web for high-resolution macOS wallpapers. You can find wallpapers that look exactly like the ones on macOS, or some other variations that might suit your taste. Apply your desktop wallpaper under the background settings using Gnome Tweaks and boom, your Ubuntu now has a macOS feeling to it.